So our egress training system is a product that was originally developed in conjunction with UPS and later refined through working with other customers in the utility and electrical utility industry, was to really figure out how their employees could learn how to retire and still be healthy. They could retire and still have, good functioning use of their knees and their ankles and not be stuck in a chair. Because long-term chronic injury due to vehicle egress is a huge issue.
Improperly exiting a vehicle, which is very common, where they actually face away from the vehicle, whether it's the cab of the vehicle or whether it's the back of the vehicle when they're emptying, say on a box truck or a van, they just jump out. The problem is what we show them is that the multiplication of force of your body weight when you impact that ground can be quite large. A 200-pound guy can reach a weight of 550 pounds, that he's got to absorb. It's got to go somewhere. It's got to go into your joints. And if you think about your joints, you have the cartilage between your bones. Well, you just keep pounding that down, eventually it's not going to be there.
And when you're younger, you may be able to not think it's a big deal, but over years and years and years, it becomes a huge deal, and there's a lot of injuries associated with that. But it was very difficult to teach that. The egress system really provides that aha moment for showing people the huge forces their body is exposed to when they jump out of a vehicle or get out of it improperly, and how that gets compounded over the times they do it per day and per year and over their career.
So what we stress with them is to understand if you lower yourself down and now you're effectively just carrying your body weight, you can do that 25, 50 times a day for the next 20 years. And your body is designed for that. So now you preserve your joints, so when you're older, you're not in pain trying to get out of the easy chair, and you can still be as active as you were when you were young.
What we call it 3 points of control. So it's always maintaining handholds where you have those handholds and keeping your foot stable and slowly moving one limb at a time as you get down the vehicle. Some of the companies we work with too, there will be a few more experienced drivers in the training group, and those are the ones that usually, have the stories to tell. And that's another huge important, very important part of the training, is it not only shows them, it also gets the conversation going, and you get to start hearing some of the stories from some of the more veteran employees and how, their life has been changed in certain instances about, when they just go ahead and they decided to jump out of the vehicle and they got injured. So it really sparks that conversation and sparks that learning in other degrees.